Welcome to this ultimate guide to 54 exclusive paint colors, name, and their code for production and packaging that will transform your business in just a few minutes. Want to make sure your paint stand out on the shelves and in customers' homes, or are you tired of your colors looking off every time you mix them? Let me show you how this code will save your sanity, time, and money. Stick around because what you are about to learn could be the game changer you have been waiting for in your paint production. All right, let's get something straight. If you are in the business of paint production, you have got to know your color names and code like the back of your hand. You don't want to be the person mixing sky blue when your customer wants Pacific blue, right? That's a disaster waiting to happen. Let's avoid that, shall we? Now, you might be wondering why color code is so important. Well, in the world of paint production, color codes are like the secret formula. They are the exact combination that ensure you can recreate a color perfectly, even single time. And when it comes to branding and packaging, you want those color looking sharp, clean, and constant. Because here is the deal, when your paint looks good, customer keeps coming back. Consistency is the key. And today I am going to give the key to the kingdom with 54 colors and their code that will elevate your paint game. Let's jump straight into our first set of colors, starting with some timeless favorite. Please, you can also get a color chart. It helps to guide you during production process, and you can get it where they usually sell painting materials. Also, in each color chart, you're going to be seeing different color names and color code inside those color charts. Our number one color is brilliant white, code 9999. This is your classic clean white, perfect for modern interiors and customers looking for that sharp, fresh look. Number two color is cream. The code is 3040. Cream is a warm, inviting, and perfect for living space. It has that soft, homely touch. Number three is leaf green, code 6071. This color is natural inspired. This green brings a smoothing vibe to any room, great for wellness centers or eco-friendly brand. Number four is rose. Color code is 1021. Soft, gentle, and romantic. Rose is the go-to for anyone looking to add a little elegant. And then we have Pacific blue. Code color is 7082. This color is a rich deep blue. This is your power color, perfect for office and bold space. Just imagine telling your friends, oh yes, I painted my living room Pacific blue. Sounds fancy, right? Trust me, people will love it. And our sixth color is sky blue. Color code is 7082. This color is perfect for open, hairy space. And the next color is off white. Color code is 4046. Your staple natural for any wall design. And then we have sand. Color code is 3040. Think about beach and relaxation. This color is suitable if you want to bring in those beach atmosphere into your wall. And number nine is national green. Color code is 00010. A bold statement for any office or outdoor space. And 10 is dove gray. Of course, we are familiar with this color. Color code is 1995. This is a modern, chic, and perfect for any contemporary space, not basically for the female cheeky stuff, but for anyone looking for that modern, metallic, natural color flow. And then we have the 11th color, which is black. Color code 9103. Black is always in style. It adds a touch of sophistication. You understand? And so on through all the 54 colors. Now, here is why this knowledge is crucial. Imagine losing a big client because you couldn't replicate the exact shade they wanted. That mistake could cost you more than just a sale. It could cost you your reputation. But when you know your color and code like a pro, you are delivering precious. Customers will trust you to give them exactly what they want every time, and trust is everything. You don't want to be like this guy guessing your way through paint mixing. It is a surefire way to disaster. Instead, be the professional who delivers exactly what promised every single time. Now, let's talk about how your packaging and branding this color to make sure they fly off the shelves. You want your packaging to look premium and professional. Each bucket should have the color name, code, and all the essential details like coverage, drying time, and finish. Customers appreciate it when they know exactly what they are getting. Also, here is a pro tip: offer your paint in different shades, like 1 liter if your country are always that means your country package their paint in 1 liters. Also include 4 liters and 20 liters bucket. It gives customers flexibility depending on their needs, and don't forget to highlight the premium quality of your paint on the label aside with your color name and code. If you're serious about mastering paint production and want to take your brand to the next level, click the link in the description for a one-on-one clarity call with me. Let's see if we could work together to make sure your paint business thrives. I'll help you with everything from production to branding and sales in our various training. And remember, the next time someone asks for Pacific Blue, you will know exactly what to do. Comment list of 24 colors and I'll send the color name and code to you in the comment section because I don't want this video to be long. You can also check the description of this video to get the complete 54 colors name and code. Like I said, I don't want this video to be long. So those that are interested to get the 54 colors name and code should comment below this video list of 54 colors, and I'm going to send you the 24 colors name and the list. So see you in the next video on how to mix each 54 colors, because in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to mix each of these 54 colors for you to be a perfect paint mixer and also to retain your customers. Thank you for watching, and remember to give this video a like. Make sure to like this video to help it reach the right people that needs to watch it. It is important, and to like this video is free. So please like this video and also comment below 54 color, and I'm going to send you the names of the 54 colors and code. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.